We know from our customers that up to 90% of charging is all done either at home or at work.
The fastest way to charge at home is using the Level 2 charger, which is up to 5 times faster than Level 1, and it's an available option getting a unit installed at your home.
We launched a partnership with Qmerit to make it easier for people to find electricians to come and install their charging station.
You can fill out a survey through the Chevy website, take a couple pictures of your electrical panel and where you want your Level 2 station installed, and then you'll actually get up to 3 quotes from qualified electricians local to your area. That's my favorite thing about the car is, being able to fuel at home. So I'm starting every day with a full charge, and it's the greatest thing.